doing some pulls in the M3. The exhaust that we did. Learn how to use a fucking signal. God damn!
Oh my God, I smacked myself in the face with my phone.
It's on fucking video.
Oh, yeah, facts.
Oh, this car is fucking insane. Yo, straight trade for the Mazda right now.
Let's go.
Oh, oh. I love this. That guy loved that too.
It's vibrating my nuts.
Massage back there, eh?
Yeah. It's great.
Neutral, second. It's hiding in the closet. Closest the valves. Like 430. 14. Biggs is probably like, what the fuck?
Dude, everyone around us is like, what the fuck is this guy doing?
Just do that the whole way in the parking lot. Jenny. I love that.
No, go on.
Part of me wants a Kia Soul just for that meat.
Ooh, CRX.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, his is cool. Don't worry.
I guess the Lambos are eating dinner and get a special parking spot. See them there? They're hidden.
Dude, the Kia Soul gang's getting mad at you.
Just dude in front of Migs, just fucking bang, bang.
We're not cool enough for Connor to park beside.
Cool enough for him to park in front of us.
So I can get a better view of you guys.
It's Josh.
We're not cool enough for Connor.
Yeah, that thing is crazy. That audio?
Yeah.
Crazy.
And then the fucking Golf too.